Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening and Open Gate Gardening with me, Simon. Today we're taking on another exciting transformation, and whilst this garden already had some lovely features hidden away, they were being overshadowed by one thing: weeds, and lots of them. Over time, the borders had become overwhelmed, making it difficult to see exactly what plants and shrubs were already established. So our first task was to clear everything back and reveal the true structure of the garden beneath. Once we could finally see what we were working with, it became clear that some of the planting wasn't making the most of the space. Many of the shrubs had been planted in blocks, so we carefully moved a number of them around to create more rhythm, balance, and flow throughout the borders. The client had also purchased a selection of new plants, which gave us the perfect opportunity to add extra colour, interest, and texture, helping to bring the whole garden together. So what started as a garden in need of a little attention soon became something completely different. The transformation really is remarkable. And by the end of this project, you'll see just how much potential was hiding beneath those weeds. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, relax, and let's get started with this fantastic garden makeover. And as always, enjoy. So this weekend's job is clearing this. All this side needs de-weeding. We've got nettles, dock leaves. There's some shrubs in there, but we need to get rid of them. It's going to be all this edge and around here, and it goes right up the side of the house as well. So a couple of days work just to clear the weeds. And once the weeds are cleared, we can then make it look decent. Let's crack on. So after 2.5 hours work, we've now cleared all the weeds, grasses. We can now see the shrubs. I put a bit of topsoil down because it's very clayey. That's the front of the house, or side of the house, I think. They're looking lovely. Client wants us to move some of the shrubs, so I might shift some of these around. These have been planted in blocks rather than a rhythm, so we'll see what the client wants. I'll show you the other side as well. Right, and this is the front of the house. It goes all the way down this side. Again, taking out all the weeds. Client's got some plants to put in, some hydrangeas, I think. But again, these are planted in blocks, these shrubs. Client might want us to move these around and put them into a bit of a rhythm. But yeah, just a few hours work. What a difference it makes. And there's the other side as well. Beautiful. So that's today's job finished. Some shrubs moved around, some lavender put in, some hostas. We've got some ground cover phlox, English lavender, some campulas. It's looking much better than the jungle that it was earlier. This is the side. All weeded. Just move the shrubs around. And added some more as well, but that makes such a difference to this border. And be full of colour very soon. And this is just the side. Again, move some shrubs around, added some extra plants. Looking much better.